Hey guys, yes, let's do this Barbie look. I am going to start off by blending this contour. So as you can see, I applied the concealer and I look kind of crazy right now, but please trust the process. So I'm going to blend all of this with my beauty blender, my tiny mini beauty blender, for us to get this flawless finish and to get this amazing Barbie look that I'm trying to achieve. Next, I'm going in with my Eyeshadow Pro translucent powder, and I am placing that under the eyes as I am going in with the eyeshadow look, and this will prevent any fallout from sticking onto the skin, and we'll still have that flawless base going. Now I'm grabbing my Fashion Girl eyeshadow palette. I am going in with a flat brush, and this is in the shade pink that I'm going to place on the inner corner of my eyelid, and this is going to give us that pretty bright pink shade that we're trying to achieve with this Barbie look, as we know that we are trying to go for mostly the pink shades because it's Barbie, everything is pink. So in that inner corner, I just do tapping motions with the brush to place it neatly, not spreading it too much because I want it to be aligned very neatly in the inner corner of the eye. Next, I'm going in with a more fluffier brush, eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in with this highlighter pink shade on the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to blend that in circular motions on the outer corner of the eyelid, and this is going to combine the two pink shades and give us that beautiful pink finish in the end. I'm going to create a wing line, so I'm going in with a small eyeliner brush, and the reason why I'm actually going in with this brush and this dark shade is because I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner. So if we want this liquid eyeliner to look a little bit neater and for you to basically create a stunning, consistent wing line, I suggest that you firstly go in with a dark eyeshadow with a thin, small eyeliner type brush, and you'll be able to achieve a perfect wing line. The way you like it. I won't say it's perfect, but something more consistent. So I'm grabbing the liquid eyeliner, because you guys know usually I go in with a eyebrow pencil to create a wing line, but I thought, let's risk it a little bit. Let's be a little bit more, of ambitious with this look. So I grabbed this liquid eyeliner and I actually achieved this wing line with this liquid eyeliner. Here I'm going back in with that pink shade that we have on our eyelids, putting that on the bottom line and just smoking that out a little bit more to achieve more of a sultry look in the end. Using a flat brush, and this is going to just make this look complete in the end. I'm just grabbing my spoolie here to clean up my brush so that we can shape it in the end. So I am just grabbing my spoolie, and then I'm going in with my Essence Eyeliner Long Lasting Pencil in the shade brown. So I used to use the black shade, but I find now recently that I've been using the brown shade, I have been achieving a more of a natural look, if I may call it that, something like that. I really do like the way the brown pencil makes my eyebrows look. So I basically just follow the shape of my brow and to achieve my eyebrow look in the end. I forgot to mention I did apply a half lash, the Essence half lash falsies, to finish off the eye look. Now, to enhance this Barbie look even so much more, I am going in with my Max Factor Pink Blush. You guys know this is one of my faves because it is so pigmented and so pretty pink. So I am just tapping that onto my cheekbones for now. I know I'm going to look crazy but this is definitely trust the process. So yeah, just tap that on for a bit, just a few on the cheeks so that we can blend that out in the end. Yeah, you'll see everything will come together. So I'm grabbing my blending brush and just blending that pigmented blush into the skin, you know, so that we can look cute and not crazy. Yeah, so this is how you blend that blush into the skin. Now to finish off the lips, I am going back in with my Essence Long Lasting Eyeliner Pencil in the shade brown, and I'm just lining the lips so that I can achieve this shape, a cute shape, you know. And then I am going in with my Essence Extreme lip gloss. I don't know if you guys remember this lip gloss from my previous video when I did my Essence mystery box, so check that one out. So yeah, it smells divine, so fruity. I am in love with the smell, so it's giving me that nice glossy shine that I'm trying to achieve. And you know, I wanted to go a little bit of a lighter shade on the lips so that this eye look and the blush can stand out more, you know, to achieve this Barbie finish pinkish look. Yeah.